To prevent and control forest fires, the state legislature in 1905 created a forest protection agency, now known as the California Division of Forestry. In 1945, the legislature charged this division with the administration of new laws governing forest practices on privately owned timberlands and placed on it the responsibility for assisting private landowners to develop better management practices on their forest and range lands. California, unlike most other heavily wooded parts of the United States, has long, hot, dry summers. Intensive industrial and recreational use of the mountain lands under these climatic conditions create extreme fire hazards. Each year, over 4,000 forest fires occur on these lands. 8 out of every 10 due to people's carelessness and negligence. A large number of these are caused by the careless disposal of trash, by fire escaping from unscreened and unwatched incinerators and trash piles, by thoughtlessly discarded cigarettes and other burning material, and by children not taught that fire destroys lives, property, and resources when used as a plaything. Helping people to understand the individual's responsibility in fire prevention is an important part of the Division of Forestry's work in the wildland areas. During the fire season, signs are posted in these areas to remind people to be careful. The highways and back roads are traveled continually by division employees, contacting sportsmen, vacationers, and picnickers, pointing out fire risks to property owners, and recommending ways to eliminate the hazards, and being on the lookout for such things as unattended campfires left by careless vacationers and sportsmen. Every year at county fairs, local celebrations, and meetings of all kinds, the importance of preventing fires is explained to people who work in or use the wildland areas. Cooperatively with other government fire protection agencies, the division spearheads the work of a statewide citizens committee, in which youth groups, civic and service organizations, newspapers, radio and TV stations, and the state's industry, labor, and business assist in drawing the people's attention to the dangers of man-caused fires. The goal of this work is to awaken people to the fact that each individual has a responsibility and a key role to play in making full use of the wildland resources. Like this hunter who has learned that if he is to continue to enjoy his sport and let others have the same pleasure, his match and his cigarette must be dead out. He understands the importance of each individual doing his part to keep the mountain lands green and productive.